Hello everyone and welcome back. I am your teacher Melvin Valverde of Eladio T. Baliti Memorial School of Fisheries, and this video presentation is in relation to our discussion about the light spectrum in Quarter 1, Module 10, Colors in Light. Let us recall that in that module, your most essential learning competency is for you to explain the hierarchy of colors in relation to energy of visible light. And on that module, you were asked to do Exploration 1, the colors of the rainbow, the colors of light. So this video presentation is made for you to serve as a guide and for you to follow to make it easier for you to do the activity. So what are we waiting for? Come on, let's go. Let's venture once more to the wonderful world of science. Let's learn something new. And let us start by making our own rainbow. Now, I decided to do this activity on a clear day around 11. And we have here our materials for the activity. The first one we have is a plastic tub, a used plastic tub. Then we have our mirror, oopsie. And then we have our sheet of white paper. Now, the first step of this activity is for you to fill the plastic container with clean, clear water up to 2/3 or more of its capacity. Now, after filling your plastic tub with clean, clear water, you place it under an area that is well lit by the sun. Now, the next step for this activity is for you to get your mirror and then slide it into the tub with water and try to adjust its position by moving it around until the light that is reflected and then the light that has been refracted and dispersed is projected onto a wall. Now, it may be difficult at first or maybe frustrating sometimes, but I know that you can get this if you are just going to be patient. And also try to use a stone to make your mirror more stable and move less. Now, after you have stabilized your mirror, you can now move closer to the projected lights onto the wall. You can see there are two lights, white light and the rainbow. The white light is the result of the reflected light coming from the mirror. And then the rainbow that was produced is the result of the refracted and dispersed light coming from the mirror. Now, you may wonder why we were able to produce white light and then rainbow. Now, take note that your mirror is not totally submerged into the water. So, we have three things that are happening here: reflection, refraction, and dispersion. So the white light is the result of reflection. The rainbow is the result of the light that was reflected but travels through the water, making it refract and then dispersing it, causing now your rainbow. Now, this is a photo showing the two products of our activity: the reflected light and then refracted and dispersed light, the rainbow. Now, I would like to propose a photo challenge to my viewers, especially to my students, to take a selfie or a picture of yourself together with your rainbow that is projected on a clean white sheet of paper, and then post it here or in our group chat. I will be giving special credits and points for this. So that's it for now. I will be putting a link below if you want a more in-depth discussion about light spectrum. And I do appreciate your interest, and I do hope that this will help you somehow in your studies. Stay safe always, and God bless. See you next time. Bye.